Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hello everyone, today I will walk you through the process of drawing a simple pen and pencil holder. Start with a base shape, draw a rectangle. Depending on a style of holder you want. A cylinder gives it a more classic cup-like look, while a rectangle can look more modern and sleek. If you want your hold to have a 3D look, draw a slight ellipse at the top and bottom of the cylinder or box. This helps create the illusion of depth. For the cylinder, draw an oval or at the top, making sure with the rest of the shape. For a box, sketch out the top edges and sides to show it's open. Add details like designs or patterns on the body of the holder, such as scripts, a logo, or a simple texture to give it character. Now sketch a few pencils and pens coming out the holder. Start with thin, straight lines for the bodies and